Rumi always sparkles from her head to her toes. Just make sure not to get in her way, Sprunkies. Oh, just imagine if she meant to do that. Pinky, hurry! The mini Sprunkies need your help. Never underestimate the power of some fresh air. Yeah, Pinky's gotta look out for each other. Now, I think we should get you guys out of this hallway. Strap in. Let's just hope the classroom's safe from them. Aw, I really wanted to read her essay. Don't worry, chocolates are always the answer. Plus a little paint job. And you know Derpy's always got your back. Now add a special K-pop Demon Hunter's keyboard inside. Why don't we invite Zoe over? Pretty soon, the gang's all here. Wow, do you think they'll put on a show? Look out, Pinky! A demon! Who you gonna call? The K-pop Demon Hunters! Come on, Rumi. Drop this guy like your latest single. Think she's tough? Wait till she starts singing. Of course, she always works better with an audience. You gotta pay for a show. But she really liked that backpack. Don't worry, we can make you a new one. Just need some cardboard. Just make a nice sturdy box. Seal it up. And make like a kangaroo and add a pouch. Of course, we also want it personalized. I was thinking writing her name, but that works too. Either way, Pinky's one happy customer. Time to show it off. Uh-oh, looks like Derpy ate your homework. You think the teacher might believe that? 'Cause something tells me she's on the warpath. Hey, don't say I didn't warn you, Pinky. But she's nothing to be afraid of, especially when we've got cardboard to help us. Yes, cardboard. It can make all your dreams come true. And it looks like Rumi is her source of inspiration. Now she's here to help you clean up. Makes sense. She's got a real talent for taking out the trash. Careful, all that ink. There's bound to be a spill. Pinky might have something to help. An ear stick. With ears that big, you gotta keep them clean. Once again, our friendly neighborhood Derpy's here to help. Wrap the stick with some double-sided tape. Now we can stack up every Derpy of the rainbow. Try it out. It's your brand new multicolor pen. Start with traditional Derpy blue. Now try red. Come on, there's an entire rainbow of colors to explore. Remind me to add on a purple one next. Okay, we really need to look into a Derpy daycare. Silly kitty, go off and play with Sussy or something. These pencils are all chewed up, but we can fix that. Especially with our special Derpy pencil sharpener. Don't forget some space for all those loose shavings. How else will we get quarters from the shavings fairy? Let's see if Mini Derpy has as much bite as the original. He does! and keep those in a safe place. These Sprunkies sure have a lot of energy. Maybe too much. Is there a daycare for them? Well, we'll just have to make one then. Just need to lay down some parts. And soon, we'll be in the swing of things. 'Cause it's a swing set. Give Wenda a push, Oren. An idol must always be photo ready, even when it's not picture day. Slay. And I don't mean demons. Unfortunately, girls, this isn't photography class. It's okay. I'm sure you'll get it back in June. Besides, all you need's a matchbox. Sans matches. With a few adjustments, it can be a new camera. Just press a button and soon we'll have a whole selfie slideshow. And look, they even come out as stickers. I wonder if they're still saved on the cloud. Ooh, it's test day. Almost forgot this was a school. And by the looks of it, I think Pinky did too. Don't worry, Roomie's here to help. We just need scrapbook paper. Add a friendly Sprunky face on top. Now fold it up like a fan. Add a straw on top, and it's our old pal, Aqua. You can let her loose whenever you need her. Never forget, Roomie knows a thing or two about having fans. School. Oren, Pinky, and Wenda. Ratty and Simon are here too. Let's explore. I think these guys have been hanging out with cats again. At least you two are focused on your studies. Good thing, too. That teacher seems strict. Uh-oh, I think he noticed your special guests. But don't worry, it's time for Sprunki.